In this video, I will show how to insert bullet points in PowerPoint. So, a very simple and easy way to insert the bullet points. Type your text anyway, and once you select your text, click on this in the Home tab, Paragraph section. You can select any type of bullet points, check marks, arrow, and once you click on bullets and numbering, there are some more options. You can change color, size, and here you can more customize, like you can select any symbol as a bullet points, then click on OK. So these all options you can try to insert bullet points. Like this. Click here and write your text. Thanks for watching. Comment this video is useful for you.